In this video, we will learn about classes in C++. Classes are the building blocks of object-oriented programming. A class is the blueprint for an object. Classes can have variables and functions. We refer to the variables in a class as the class's attributes. Functions inside of a class are called methods. To create a class, we use the class keyword. For example, we can use the class keyword and create a class named example class. Notice the curly braces after the name of the class, inside of which will go the code for this class. Also notice that we had a semicolon after the closing curly brace. Inside of our class, we are going to use the public access modifier, which means that anything beneath it can be accessed by code outside of the class. Let's create an int attribute named integer field. After that, we will add another attribute to our class, a char variable named character field. Next, let's add a bool named boolean field to our class. We can also add a float named floating point field to our class. Now our example class contains 4 attributes, an int named integer field, a char named character field, a bool named boolean field, and a float named floating point field. Let's add some methods to our class. For example, we can create a void function named method1, and inside of there we will output the string method1 to the console. We will also create a method with a void return type named method2, and inside of here we will output the string method2 to the console.